Hi, my name is Jeremy Shulman. You can find me on Twitter at NWK Automaniac or Network Automaniac. And today is May 26th, and Kentik has just open sourced a new project that allows somebody to pull an image via an API and use it in systems like ChatOps. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you today. And what you're looking at right now is just the Kentik portal. So here is a visualization I've created, in the Kentik portal. This is something that I want to now replicate or summon this image into Slack. And the way I can do this is under Actions, there's the ability to see the API call for this chart. And so through this new Kentik image cache project, you can do a post using that API payload and then get that image served up to you. So I'm going to demonstrate this real quickly. What you're looking at here is my chat or my Slack environment, and I have a little Slack app and it has a command called photomat. That's just the name I like to use for this. And you can see I've got some commands here. So I'm going to use this command called sp photomat because this is the one I've tied to this visualization. And I'm going to do photomat sp photo, and if you do help here, basically you can give it the site that you want to summon for. So in this case, I'm using Kentik SP San Francisco 1. So just to demonstrate that same image, I'll use that same site. So here's photomat sp photo -- site Kentik SP SF01. And so this is basically issuing a post to this little Docker container app that's running on my laptop. That is that Kentik image cache app, and it fetched that image and then rendered it so that I can pull this image into Slack. So you can see that this is the image that was pulled into Slack, and you can see that this is the kind of the picture that has been taken from or pulled in from the Kentik portal. And just to demo that this is like a real live kind of thing, I'm going to use a different site name. So I'll say photo -- site, and if I do -- help here, I can see these are the site names you can choose from. So I'm going to choose a different one. I'll do photo sp photo -- site. Let's say we'll do Kentik sp.nyc1 instead. So we're going to summon that one. And again, it's going to Kentik portal. It's fetching the payload data. It's storing that into this new Kentik image cache app. And then when it's ready, it gets presented here. So you can see now this is the Kentik SP New York City 1 image. And through the API, you can pull back both the image or the data itself. So Kentik offers a really nice feature-rich API. And hopefully this gives you a good idea of what you can do with this new open source project they have. You can go to their GitHub to see it. It's Kentik. It's GitHub.com Kentik image cache. So you can kind of see this is the image cache app. And if you want to give it a try, download it. I did it today and it works great. So I hope you've enjoyed this demo, and look forward to any comments or questions you might have.